Yo, what is up? How is everybody doing today, man? You already know how it goes. It's your boy B back with another video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you don't know who I am, my name is Brandon Jones and I specialize in helping you make an extra income. And if you guys are returning, thank you so much. First, before I start anything in the video, I want to thank everyone that has subscribed. Listen to me. I want to thank you. The numbers have been moving and moving and moving. They've been going up. I've been getting DMs. I've been getting more sales. When it comes to courses, I see everybody buying in. I see some haters and comments. I see it all, right? And I am so grateful. I see people DMing me. I'm going to address all of it because I want you guys to know how much I appreciate you guys. And I also want to do something so that I can interact more with the community. Now, when it comes to this YouTube channel, of course, it started as a couple channel. It started as a couple channel with me and my girlfriend. At the time, we were doing really, really good. Okay, we were building, and this is the time when everybody was doing pranks and stuff. And I'm not gonna lie, YouTube, I'm gonna shorten it up. YouTube ruined my relationship at that point in time because we were really young. People were coming to our apartments. We would go out in public and we would go to Atlantic City, prime example, and we weren't famous at all, but some people would notice us and then they would like start touching our kids, like little stuff like that, and it created a lot of animosity, a lot of stress. People would write on my car because they would recognize it from videos, like different things, and it took a toll on the relationship, and we ended up actually stopped posting. We stopped posting completely on this channel. This channel sat and didn't like do anything literally but make money from previous videos for about a year and a half. And then I just started to think in my head like, yo, I spent so much time on this YouTube channel and I missed recording, I missed interacting, I missed talking to people. So I decided, you know what, let me start uploading my life and what I'm doing as far as financially, as far as my journey as an entrepreneur and things that I'm learning and grasping. And it has worked out tremendously. I am so happy that I have everybody that has joined the family. It really gives me a sense of like hope and a sense of passion, even more fuel to my fire, because I really like seeing how I'm affecting people's lives when it comes to flipping electronics, when it comes to phone flipping. I'm getting people that are in the community that are enjoying the price sheets, enjoying things that I'm teaching them. Courses, of course, I'm getting the calls every time you text flip to 445-500-9600. I'm getting that, and my team is reaching out, and they're reaching out to me, letting me know different results that we're getting. I'm reading the testimonials. Guys, it's so overwhelming because it happened so fast, and I'm thankful. I just went on that whole rant because I just want to let you guys know how thankful I am, and also let you guys know that I am really happy that I've made a decision that this year, my biggest hustle, okay, I talk about a lot of side hustles. You know, my hustles are phone flipping electronics, also phone repairs, also making sure that I'm running e-commerce sites. But I think bigger than that, right, is literally just going to be creating myself and solidifying myself as a brand. Because I can have phone flipping, I can have I can flip electronics, I can repair phones, but they all tie back into me, the Educated Hustler. And the reason why I named myself Educated Hustler is because I, believe it or not, was not an A student. And I was told from a very young age that I was not going to even pass high school because I was bad. I really was. I was misguided. I was verbally and mentally and physically abused as a child, and a lot of that put me in a situation where I was running away all the time and getting kicked out, and I just never really could focus on basketball and on school, right? But I still was educated enough to make it out of high school when people said I wouldn't, and also educated enough to hustle and not take the negativity that I get from people that I love and actually hustle, get out there, start my own business, and continue to go no matter how many times I fell. And it really taught me like all of the freaking down points I've had in my life, that nobody can determine my hustle or can determine the worth of my hustle. It can determine how bad I want it, because I want this as bad as I breathe. Like I want to be as successful as God wants me to be or allows me to be. And I'm excited because like that's my side hustle for this year, is creating myself or solidifying myself as the brand. I don't want phone flipping to just be what you think of an Educated Hustler. I don't want flipping electronic. I want to be the brand. I want you guys to understand that you can come to me and I can one-stop shop for you to make money, and also mentor you and help you. And when I say help you, it's like, I don't want to help you for a fee though. Like, that's not where I'm really trying to gain income. I'm trying to gain income from people that get results. And that's why we have MERCARI automation, where you basically hire my team to post products for you on MERCARI. We sell it and we do a 40-60 split. So we take 60%. You don't buy any products, you don't list any products. We do that all for you. We get 60% of the revenue, you get 40. All you're doing is literally having a side income happen consistently without you doing anything. You're not even shipping it, you know? And it's imperative that, like, we understand our worth. And this year I'm working on making me the biggest brand that I can. And I know it's not gonna happen overnight. I know it's gonna have to do with consistency. I haven't posted on Instagram in so long as well, because I'm so busy moving and planning. Have not forgot about my channel. I'm literally getting subscribers out of nowhere, and I'm like so happy every time I get one. Like, you don't understand how important it is. Even though I'm on the road to 10K, and I'm excited to announce that, like, I have another YouTube channel coming, which is with me and my girlfriend again. But we're gonna do it right this time. Way less pranks, more so just showing us, you know, not trying to give people content that we think is popping, but give people us and the things and the trials and tribulations we have. We have kids, we have a regular life, we have jobs, of course, we have upkeep, we have relationships to maintain, we have children to help grow and mentor, and it's a lot of work. Like, it's a lot of work, and I know it's people out there with the same thing as me, so I'm not thinking I'm any better for sustaining this lifestyle that I may have, or for me to be able to do certain things. I'm not better than anyone, and that's what I want to connect with, the people that are just like me and that can relate to me, or people that can learn from me. I've made so many mistakes, like so many, and I am a brand. You know, I am an educated hustler, and an educated hustler is somebody that gets 1% better every day. And we work, but we make the money work for us, you know. And I am very, very excited to announce I did link the channel on my channel, so it's like on the featured channels. It's Chosen 2X, and Chosen 2X is going to be my couples channel with me and my girlfriend. She's an entrepreneur as well. She fixes credit. She fixes credit, and she actually helps with financial literacy as well. So it's like, it's something you can learn with that too. But more than that, it's about my kids too. Like, I really want my kids to have generational wealth. I want to teach them things. I want to get my daughter to become what she wants to be. What she likes scrub. She likes facial scrub. She likes shea butter lotion. She makes all of that, and I want to start to really take this family thing more serious, as far as, like, you know, being an entrepreneur, but also never forgetting the fact that I have a family, and never, you know, neglecting my responsibilities, because these kids, yo, they're easy when they're small, right? But as they grow and they start to develop different personalities, you start to understand, like, this is a whole kid, like, this is a whole person, and this person has feelings, and sometimes we don't realize how we impact this person's feelings on an everyday basis, and the decisions that we make can, you know, impact their decisions in life. And I am working to finish moving, so everything should be moved by February 1st. I'm going to do a tour for you guys. If you guys don't know, I am officially, like, moving in with my girlfriend and our kids as well. And I know this backwards. Listen, I know. We were moved in, and we had we've been in a relationship for a long time, and it's been so hard as an entrepreneur to balance family and business, kids and business, and there's a way. You know, when there's a will, there's a way. And I'm now seeing more than ever how I can impact my family in a positive way, but me working all the time isn't helping. You know, it isn't helping. And that's why I want to bring you guys along for the journey on how I'm making that better. So stay tapped in. You guys already know how you guys can find anything you guys need when it comes to phone flipping, electronic flipping, when it comes to anything, MERCARI, eBay, anything. IamHustlersMindset.com. I'm bringing bangers every single day. Yo, listen, after I'm done moving, I'm bringing these bangers, and also bringing bangers on TikTok and on YouTube with the couple channels as well. So, and I won't even call it a family channel, you know? Because I have to incorporate them, and I have to show someone out there that may be going through the same thing and may be quitting on themselves that you can do it. You know, like my finances, y'all, like I spend a lot of money a month for 5 people. I spend a lot of money, and it's hard for me because sometimes I'm spending more than I'm making. And you got private school, it's so much. You got tuitions, you got so much. And I'm bringing you guys the wrong cut, but I wanted to stop by. I wanted to talk to you guys, and I wanted to tell you guys my biggest side hustle. Your biggest side hustle, if you're an entrepreneur, should be making yourself a brand. As long as you make yourself a brand, you are the money. You don't need anything else. That's all gonna come. So make yourself the brand, man. You already know how it goes. It's your boy B. Eagles winning. We smacking the Giants, man. I'm so happy about that too. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, man. You already know how it goes. It's your boy B back with another video, and I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.